the more powerful Acura 3.5 RL. How intimate is your relationship with the road? Visit Acura.com. There are several places to get the world's best coffee. Now your home is one of them. The Cuisinart Automatic Grind and Brew. Available at all fine stores this holiday season. Whoever said getting there is half the fun didn't have to get there with a 3-year-old. Easy and secure transactions backed by 24-hour customer support. Expedia.com. Don't just travel. Travel right. So, it looks like someone's had a pretty busy day today. Well, let's make sure back pain doesn't cramp your schedule tomorrow. Grab a Thermacare air-activated heat wrap before you hit the sack. IBM PetroConnect, a revolutionary new online service for the petroleum industry. It's one of several ways that IBM is using leading-edge technology to provide solutions for the oil and gas industry. PetroConnect lets professionals do business electronically. The American Academy in Rome is one of the world's leading overseas centers for independent study in the arts and humanities. It was founded in 1894 as the American School of Architecture in Rome. Today, the Academy is still a private institution supported by individuals, foundations, and American universities. You've reached the Center for Reproductive Medicine, a comprehensive program dedicated to the advanced diagnosis and treatment of female and male-related infertility. Patients at the Center for Reproductive Medicine have access to the expertise of medical specialists, sophisticated diagnostic and therapeutic procedures, and today's most advanced assisted reproductive technologies